Have you ever wondered why fasting has become so popular? Whether for health, weight loss, or even mental clarity, fasting has been used for centuries across different cultures and traditions. But what exactly makes fasting so beneficial? Let's break it down. First, what is fasting? Fasting is when you voluntarily abstain from food for a set period of time. The most popular type is intermittent fasting, where you limit your eating to specific hours of the day, such as the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. There are also longer fasts, like 24-hour fasting, done once or twice a week. So, what are the benefits? First up, weight loss. When you fast, your body has time to burn through stored fat for energy, leading to fat loss. This can be a great way to shed those extra pounds while maintaining muscle mass. Next, fasting improves mental clarity. When you're fasting, your body shifts from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. This process, called ketosis, fuels your brain in a way that helps improve focus and concentration. Fasting also triggers a process called autophagy, where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This cellular repair can have long-term health benefits, potentially helping to prevent diseases and even improve longevity. Many people report feeling more calm and balanced while fasting. This is because fasting can help regulate hormones like insulin, reduce inflammation, and support overall metabolic health. However, fasting isn't for everyone. Pregnant women, people with certain medical conditions, or those with a history of eating disorders should consult a doctor before starting any fasting routine. Ready to start fasting? Start slow. Maybe try a 12-hour fast, and then gradually increase the fasting window as you get comfortable. Drink plenty of water, listen to your body, and make sure you eat nutritious, balanced meals during your eating window. Fasting can be a powerful tool for your health and well-being. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve focus, or support your body's natural processes, it's worth giving fasting a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and information.